Let me see. I'm gonna cut this. Step one. Take isolation like this, 3-4 inch.
3-4 inches.
Yeah.
Now we have 3 wires.
Yes. Now this. Okay.
You
Now
clip
we have
the last inch
connector.
connector.
We have this. Just put this side in driver. Now you can push this side.
So those 3 wires now come inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Now ground, going with ground with yellow. White. With white.
All right. White with white, yellow with yellow, black with black.
Yeah.
Put them in there.
Yes.
Very good.
Inside.
Yes. Now you just put them, tuck them under there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can set up light they have 5,000K, 4,000K, 3,000K, whatever you like. Let's say we're gonna put 4,000K.
That's what we're using?
Yes. Close it. Because they have 3 pin.
Yeah.
And also you cannot miss it, just
Yeah, there's only one way it goes in.
one way.
And then you spin.
You spin here, like main tight. This is everything is waterproof, airtight. Like this. Just put inside, that's all.
That's it.
When you need to take it out, just like this,
Yeah.
pull out, and that's it. Just leave it like this.
And then this, you're not worried about this bending down too much into the soffit?
No.
The soffit will hold that up.
It's hold it, yeah. Even you can bend it.
Oh, you can even bend the metal.
Bend it up, yeah.